Lok Sabha convened on the 20th of April for the second half of this budget session, while Rajya Sabha convened on the 23rd of April. Both houses sat until the 13th of May, taking up legislative and financial proposals. The Finance Bill 2015 was passed by Parliament. This bill makes amendments to the existing tax laws in the country. Another important legislation, the Foreign Income and Assets Imposition of Tax Bill 2015, was passed by Parliament. This bill introduces a 30% tax rate on undisclosed foreign income and assets and also increases the penalty and punishment for the same. Being a money bill, the bill was introduced and passed by Lok Sabha and was sent to the Rajya Sabha only for its recommendations. Another important legislation, the Constitution Amendment Bill related to GST, was passed in Lok Sabha. The bill seeks to replace several central and state indirect taxes that are currently levied on goods and services and impose GST. Alcohol for human consumption has been left out of the purview of GST. The bill also provides for compensation to states for any loss of revenue up to 5 years and introduces a 1% additional tax for producer states for at least a 2-year period. The Land Acquisition Second Bill replacing the ordinance was passed by Lok Sabha and has now been referred to a joint committee of Parliament. The committee is to submit its report within the first week of the next session.
Lok Sabha passed the Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection of Children Bill 2014. During the first half of the session, the Standing Committee on Human Resource Development had submitted its report on the bill. The bill deals with children in conflict with law as well as children in need of care and protection. During the debate, the provision of the bill relating to treating serious and heinous offence committers between the ages of 16 to 18 years differently based on the date of apprehension was deleted from the bill. A bill to amend the Whistleblowers Protection Act 2014 was also passed by the lower house on the last day of session on May 13th. The bill introduces 10 circumstances under which such public interest disclosures cannot be made. These include matters relating to security of the nation, cabinet papers, information relayed in a fiduciary capacity, trade secrets, etc. The real estate bill was sent to the Select Committee by Rajya Sabha this session. The government had proposed certain amendments to the bill which will be examined by the Select Committee. It will submit its report during the end of the first week of the next session. The Warehousing Amendment Bill was also passed by Parliament. The Negotiable Instruments Amendment Bill was passed by Lok Sabha. Among the new bills introduced, 6 have been sent to a standing committee. These are the Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Development Amendment Bill, the Commercial Courts Commercial Division and Commercial Appellate Division of High Courts Bill, the National Waterways Bill, the Compensatory Afforestation Fund Bill, the Homeopathy Central Council Amendment Bill, and the Benami Transactions Prohibition Amendment Bill. Overall productivity for both the houses at the end of the session has remained high. While Lok Sabha clocked 123% productivity, Rajya Sabha functioned for 102% of its scheduled time. For more information, please visit our website www.prsindia.org.